love making drinks. Today I'm going to share with you another simple, almost beginner friendly drink, but it is not basic. Now after this video, you can watch a playlist where I have some other drinks that I've made. I just find ways to jazz up and elevate simple things, and that is what we're going to do today. We're going to be making pink lemonade. Now I'm sure you've heard of pink lemonade before, and usually when persons make it, you use the regular lime or lemon, sugar, and some red food dye. But today we are not using food dye. We are going to use something different. We're going to be using beet juice. That not only gives it a great color, it also increases the nutritional value. So let's go over the ingredients. We have about 5 local limes. They should be soft to the touch so they'll be easy to roll. We have 1 cup of simple syrup, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of water boiled to make a lovely syrup, and some beet juice. We just used the beet in a blender or food processor, and we extracted all of the juice. Our first step is to prepare our lime juice. So we're going to cut our softened lime in half. Then we're going to use this, one of my favorite kitchen gadgets, and we're going to extract all the juice from the lime. I'm going to go ahead and do this with all of our limes over there, and then we go on to the next step. Now we're going to mix our pink lemonade. So first we're going to add our simple syrup. It must be nice and thick, gorgeous. Just look at it. By creating simple syrup, we don't have the issue of having to strain all the time because we have these granules of sugar. Now we're going to add our lime juice, freshly squeezed lime juice. We're going to add some water, about 1.5 cups of water, and stir. Now, if we were making traditional lemonade, this would be done. But because we're making pink lemonade, we now have to add the color. So, I'm going to go ahead and use some teaspoons. We're not going to put all of the beet juice in because we want to just test the color we're getting. So, I'm going to use just 2 teaspoons and stir. I think it could be a little brighter. So we're going to use 3 teaspoons of pink lemonade, and that's it. Simple, elegant, elevated. Now it's time to taste. So we're going to use a glass filled with ice. You know, we want to serve it chilled. Oh, just look at it. Beautiful. Allow it to just chill for a few moments and then we'll taste. It's so light, so refreshing, and the beet just elevates the taste of that lemonade just a bit. This is highly recommended. Pink lemonade, now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this pink lemonade beverage, I want you to look over here, see some of my other beverages, and once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.